Hello everyone. So I have an unboxing for you today of Clique Kits January kit, which is the Hard Eyes kit. And so I think I kind of maybe mixed my kits up a little bit. So I think this is the TN kit and I think this is the main kit. But I might be wrong on that. Because I got a box of goodies and I went through it all, and I think in going through it all, I've mixed the kits up. So definitely, if there is a specific item that I go through that you're like, I want the kit that has that in it, definitely head over to the website and check that out. So let's start with the TN kit. So this is, I'm going to have a minute and talk to you about Clique Kits Traveler's Notebook kits. So yes, they're the Traveler's Notebook kits. They don't come with an insert. So you're not obligated to use this for a Traveler's Notebook. So that's first of all. Secondly, and I think I've said this before, for me as a primarily 8.5 by 11 scrapbooker, I do 12 by 12, but not a ton. I've been doing a couple recently though. Or even if you are a 12 by 12 scrapbooker, but you are a scrapbooker who likes a white cardstock background, I think the TN kit is fabulous. I think it's so much fun, and there's different stuff in both kits. So if you want a little bit extra, Traveler's Notebook kits are great too for that. So while it is called a Traveler's Notebook kit, it would be fabulous for Project Life. It would be fabulous for card makers. It would be fabulous for planner girls. It would be fabulous for 8.5 by 11 scrapbookers or 12 by 12 scrapbookers that like white cardstock backgrounds. I cannot stress enough how fabulously awesome these particular kits are. Okay, so this I think is the Traveler's Notebook kit. These might be in the main kit. Oh dear. Okay, well, let's just go through it all. So this is a 6x6 pad. This is half a pad of Paige Evans Whimsical, which means you're going to get one of every design that's in the paper. And they have foil. Super cute, super fun. If you are someone that has trouble killing an entire 6x6 pad, this is a really great option to get one of all of the patterns and the cut apart sheets so you can cut things up and make some embellishments. Super cute. Okay, these are epoxy flare. I don't know if you've had the fabulousness of playing with these yet, but they're super cute. They're nice and flat. This is what makes me think they're part of the TN kit. They're nice and flat, so they would work fabulously in pocket pages and Traveler's Notebook. They're not too bulky, but they give you that gorgeous texture of like a flare badge. Love those. Hold on a second. Sorry about that. And I'm pretty sure there are, those are exclusives. Then we have, you get half a package of these little clips. These are little tassel clips, and they are so cute. Really, really cute. I think you get 3 different ones. So you might get these 3, or you might get the 3 that also come in the package that has like green and blue and different things. Super cute. We get a pack of Chamel's Head in the Clouds acrylic stamps. I am not a gigantic fan of acrylic stamps, I will be honest, but I can work with them. I love this butterfly and the camera. I think they'll be super fun to use. The clouds are really cute. I love the images. I love the style of the stamps, and I love the images. I'm just, acrylic stamps require just a little bit more finesse than a basic photopolymer. We get an entire pack of whimsical rub-ons. So you can see all these cute little icons and words. Really cute and sweet. I love all the stitches to add just that little bit of something to a layout. And remember that rub-ons do expire. They dry up. So rub-ons are an embellishment that you want to get and then you want to use like a crazy person. We get the entire whimsical sticker book. Lots of really fun things in this sticker book. Nice, thick cardstock stickers, a beautiful font, and then all of these kind of washi strips that you can just kind of pull up and use. Really nice, thick, sticky stickers. These stickers are sticky. Woohoo! So that's that. And then we have the whimsical embellishments. These are the flowers. So the other die cut pack comes in the main kit. The flowers come in the TN kit. And look at all those beautiful, gorgeous floral die cuts. So if you watch my channel a lot, you know that one, I have this whole collection already. And that two, it is my favorite collection from the, like it's number 2. One has to be Pink Paisley's Auburn Lane. But my number 2 favorite collection is Whimsical. So I'm super excited because when I bought my Whimsical collection, I was like, if it comes in a Clique kit, I don't want to have 2 or 3 of some things. But I want 2 of everything, right? So now I get 2 of everything. I'm so excited. So this is the whimsical embellishments with the florals. Now let's talk about puffy hearts. These are this Chamel Head in the Clouds puffy stickers. These puffy hearts are kind of like a dream come true, and I adore them. I adore them. In fact, I adore them so much that they have these in the shop, in the Clique Kits shop. And I bought 2 more. So we are going to have lots of fun with puffy hearts this week. And if you are like me and you need more puffy hearts, like one pack just isn't going to cut it, the pack that comes in the kit, you can pick up extras in the Clique Kits shop. Okay, so that's the TN kit. So it's a ton of product packed into a little package. So shipping is a good price point on this kit, but you can do so much with it. I really think every month that my Traveler's Notebook kit gets killed and is gone before my main kit does. So this would be a great option for international scrapbookers, great option for project lifers, great option for planner girls, great option for 8.5 by 11 scrapbookers. Really, really nice kit. And it's big, it's packed full of stuff. There's 5 packages of embellishments in here, but you're not getting too much. So you're getting enough product that you can make lots of projects over the month, and then you don't end up stashing like a ton of kit products, which I know those kits can pile up. Been there, done that. But these are a nice size kit. Next up, we have the 12 by 12 main kit. So I'm going to kind of push the embellishments off to the side a little bit and start with the papers. So all the papers are from Paige Evans' Whimsical collection. And we have this beautiful cardstock punch-out paper. I actually did not get this when I ordered the rest of the collection, but I am super excited to play with it and see what kind of fun things I can do with it, because it is really, really cute. And then we have this one, which is this beautiful floral paper on one side, and then the other side has this really pretty frame, so you can fussy cut these out and use them however you like. So I really love these. I love the idea of fussy cutting these and putting stuff into the little, and then kind of rearranging them onto like a border down the side of a white sheet of cardstock. I think that would make a really nice page. This is paper 7. So this one is paper 5. And this diagonal stripe is on one side, and then the other side is this amazing hexagon pattern that I love. This is probably one of my favorites. I have just oodles of fun playing with these hexagons. I think they're beautiful. And this is paper number 5. So then we have this one, which is this gorgeous yellow stripe on one side, and this beautiful country kind of floral on this side, and this is paper number 9. I'm really, really excited to have this paper, another one of these to play with, because I really love this like nice floral pattern. This is paper number 18. This one is lots of like little phrase stickers or phrases that you can kind of cut up and use. The back though, the back has my heart because look at that beautiful purple butterflies. Love it. This is paper number 13. This is a great one for fussy cutting as well. You can cut out all these little squares and use them on different layouts as embellishments, or you can maybe cut a strip and use them as a border. And then the back is this really pretty dark green, which I think is lovely. It is dark though. It is a dark paper, but the back is really fun too. So you could, which is nice because you can use a little bit of the dark green to set off and contrast on a layout, but then you can also cut this apart. Okay, so I have big plans for this paper. We'll see how it goes. This is paper 23. So Missy Whitten did a layout where she actually like fussy cut these out and then kind of rearranged them onto a page. And I don't remember how if she ended up using them. I think she did. But I loved that idea and I want to do it. So I think that that's what we're going to do with this one. So I think if you would cut it in half, and then you could fussy cut all of these banners and then flip it so that the banners kind of came down on a page. I think that would look so cute. So that is my plan. And then if you just cut it in half and used half of the banners, you could use this beautiful blue that's on the other side, this beautiful like country looking blue. And this is paper number 23. So I ended up with 2 of these florals, and I don't think I think that was an extra. I think I ended up, that had to be an accident. So we'll just flip it. You won't get that one in your kit. You won't get a second one of those, I don't think. This is beautiful circles. Love these sketchy circles. And then the black back is like this green with the little plus marks or plus signs. I love the fact that papers always have one side that's kind of like busy or, you know, florally or fussy cut, a little bit busy, but then the back is always this nice, calm background that you can use for anything. I love that. So I really like this paper side with the circles. And this is paper number 20. This one is paper number 2 and has these fun paint strokes on a navy blue background. And then the back has this fun like rainbow kind of chevron look, which again, this one says cut me and use me on a page. And this one says use sparingly. So this is paper number 2. And these are all of the 12 by 12 papers you get in the kit. So this month we have exclusive sequins. These are from Spiegel Mom Scraps. They're fabulous. You know how much I love my sequin mixes. And look at these fun little blue like starbursts that are in there. Oh, they're so cute. So definitely have some fun with those. These are like the perfect little confetti sprinkles for the end of your page. So we got that one. Then we get a partial pack. Now this is Dear Lizzie's New Day collection. This is her new, I think it's called New Day. So you're going to get a partial pack of the wood veneers. Not all of them, which is totally fine. So you'll probably get different ones. I got this fun little dipped, hold on, we need a lighter color paper here. There we go. So I get this fun little dipped heart, which I think is super cute. And I got this one. I like how these are kind of decorated. I think that's really cute. And then I got this Hello Happiness one. I really like this one. And I really love this heart. I'm not sure what I'm going to use the Free Spirit one on. We'll see. See what kind of photos and stuff I can come up with for this month. That just isn't a phrase that I tend to put on pages much. So, then we have an entire pack of the Whimsical Ephemera. So this has the butterflies and the flowers. I'm just going to show you the back of this so you can kind of see what we have here. A couple of frames, some words, butterflies, that little fox, which is the cutest thing ever. Little berries, lots of butterflies. I love the butterflies and I love the hearts. And the little books. I like this that says artistic. That's awesome. So that's what we have in that package. Then we have some Ellie Studio little snippet labels. Perfect for journaling. You know how much I like to have a dedicated journaling spot. I have a really hard time when I just have to like draw lines and write. I can't do that. I have to have a nice like spot to put journaling if I'm going to journal on a layout. So I have that one. This is Yellow Door medallion stickers. These are from Fancy Pants. Super fun and easy and usable. Look at those. They're just like circles. Like you could use them for anything, and they're super cute. And if you look in the Clique Kits shop, they have the, hold on a second, I'm going to get it. It's in here somewhere. Here we go. The Clique Kit shop has the 6x6 Yellow Door paper bags in stock, which are also super fun and a nice little add-on to your collection, to your kit this month if you are so inclined and want a little bit more fun paper. I am going to have, so I have one of those. It comes with cut-apart sheets, and honestly, I feel like this sticker sheet and this 6x6 paper pad you get a lot of use out of, because you have all these cut-aparts that you can use, and then you have all these little like medallion stickers, and if you use some punches or do some fussy cutting, like this could be a really just nice little addition to your stash to give you a little fun right there. And then the last thing we have are these beautiful, these are Casey foam letter foil foam title. These are from Jen Hadfield, and I love them. I love, like, they're really pretty. I like this pretty kind of grass. Beautiful. And I love these little flower or leaf sprigs, and there's lots of these little leaf sprigs on this pack, so you could use them for more than one layout. So that is the Heart Eyes kits for January. And then you can get the Yellow Door 6x6 pad. There's some more puffy stickers in the shop you can grab. I have a couple things here actually. There are the medallion stickers you can grab. There's extra die cuts if you want an extra die cut pack. There's extra titles if you want some extra titles. So you can really, because there's so many add-ons in the shop this month that kind of go with the kit. If you're someone who doesn't want to sign up for a subscription, you can kind of go through the add-ons and the products in the Clique Kit shop and kind of create like your own little mini kit, which I think is nice. So if you like everything in the kit, but you'd rather not have the wood veneer, you can just go ahead and buy those in the shop. So just something, you know, something easy. I like to make things, I like to tell you guys all your options, right? Okay. So that's the unboxing of the Heart Eyes Clique Kit. I'm super excited about it. Can't wait to get scrapbooking with it and creating layouts with it. I'll see you all again very soon. Bye.